Yeah, today is Saturday, December 30th. Woke up this morning with a skull busting headache and a dry cough, and just didn't feel well at all. And wife suggested I stay home today. I did track my upper cab trim moldings for my old Ford. They're supposed to be delivered today by the post office. Mail usually runs anywhere from 12 noon to 6 in the evening on Saturdays, depending on how much work he has to deliver, how much mail he has to deliver. Got cold last night here in northeast Texas, dropped down 28. And right now at 54 and sunny. So coming up on 12 noon, I might just hang out for a bit and see how I feel. I did find some stuff on Amazon I can use after modification for a suction nozzle for my vacuum mod on my chipper shredder. It'll be here in about a week. I can use it as it is on some portions of the leaves I have to suck up, but I really need a nozzle on the end of that hose for other areas I gotta vacuum up. I grabbed a piece of conduit to make a handle out of, and that was rather expensive for what it was. And I got one kitty sleeping on the edge of the couch. Another kitty sleeping on the back of the chair. Well, I think everybody's going to be lazy today. Don't feel like taking a nap right now, but I might in a little while. So that could be one of my options. Next week, just around midweek, the high is supposed to be damn near 70 degrees. And it's also supposed to rain a lot next week too. We're coming off of a cold front that blew down, and next week we got a warm front from the Gulf Coast coming up. So Almanac said it's going to be a very wet winter, and I think it nailed it. It also said we could have snow and ice in late winter, which for us is end of January through the 1st of March. We've actually had snow before in the first week of March during the post La Nina year, which is what we're at right now. So you never know about around here. It's like everywhere. If you don't like the weather, just wait a bit. It'll change. So yeah, me and the kitties just hanging out. Wife had to go to her little job today. I actually had a big order for pickup for some event somewhere. They started working on yesterday, and the customer's supposed to pick up today. And my dump trailer is done. The owners of the company, they both have COVID real bad. So, of course, now Monday's a holiday, so it'll be Tuesday before I can go over there and pick it back up, which is no big deal. So I'll go grab it, see what they did to modify it, and hope it works. They swear up and down they got it fixed, and it does dump. I don't know on the first load whether that's true or not. But and if it's a weak dump trailer, I'll just modify my loads to allow for that. Dump trailer's downright handy to have. If you can find a good used one, go ahead and snatch it up. 14 to 16 foot is a good length. Bumper pull, if you got a 3/4 ton or 1 ton pickup, is a good setup. If you're trying to use a 1/2 ton pickup, get you a gooseneck. It's too much weight on the bumper if you don't. But they're big enough. You can put a small skid steer loader in the bed, or up to about a 10,000 pound. I call it a track hoe. Some people call them a mini excavator. You can put one of those in the bed too. You can get them with or without ramps. If they come without ramps on a used one, you can get a set made or make your own. It's not that big a deal. But they are handy. Anyway, I'm sitting around doing nothing, so let me get this posted and continue doing nothing. That's all for this one. Thank you.